numbers on this property are amazing. The profit is incredible. This assisted sale is not something that's really known in property, is it? It's a fantastic strategy. It works. It's proven it works. We are standing in it right now with a £50,000 plus profit. Welcome back to another video from me, and today we are at Brad's house, who is a member of the Property Circle. This is the house. It's an assisted sale. It's a great way to get into the property market if you haven't got a huge amount of cash or funds available. So come inside, take a look, and we'll run through the numbers. Welcome guys into this 3-bedroom end of terraced house in Kings Heath, Birmingham. We're going into the lounge now, which he's done a great job of. It's a great finish. It's a lovely house. We're going to show you more of it shortly. Assisted sale. Now guys, assisted sale is something I want to bring more to this channel. I want people to understand what assisted sale is. It's not taught enough out there. There's not a lot of people who know what it is. So later on in this video, I'm going to give you a breakdown and an in-depth look at how assisted sale works. But for now, come and take a look at the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen now guys. Great finish on the kitchen, very neutral. A great way to sell the property is using neutral colours because you open the market to a lot more people. Brad and his dad did a lot of the work in here themselves, and they actually saved a lot of the money, I believe, by using some of the existing carcasses that was here and adding new doors, new worktops, obviously all the flooring throughout. The numbers on this property are amazing. The profit is incredible. We're going to get Brad at the end of this video and go through some of the things. I had a lot of input in this actually. He was contacting me a lot throughout this refurb, giving him some pointers, some tips. One of the things that I actually said to him was about the garden. So come outside and take a look at this garden, guys. Now, me and Brad had a lot of discussions about this garden over the past few weeks. His dad didn't really want to do anything to it. He didn't think the garden would add any value to the property. I advised them to paint this grey, paint all the fence panels grey, paint all the walls white, and add something to the garden so people could see the potential it has. It's a beautiful garden. It's a huge garden. I really like it, and it worked because the end value that they got for this house was amazing. Now, it's good to have outside people's opinions on stuff because when you're in the property, you can kind of see things your way, but an outside perspective can massively, massively help, as it did here. Now, guys, we are nearly on 2,000 subscribers for the channel, which is absolutely amazing in the short space of time that we've been here. So if you guys think that what we're doing is great or we're adding something to the property world, please, please, please share our videos and help us get to that 2,000 mark. It'll be a massive achievement for me and the team here at the Property Circle. So here we are guys, upstairs, straight into the master bedroom. Like I said, it's a 3-bedroom. There isn't really much to say to you guys. It's a great finish, lovely finish, show home finish, new carpets, fresh plaster, fresh paint, everything's new. The sale price was amazing, so I'm just gonna let Duna do his thing up here. All 3 rooms are great sizes and the landing is spacious as well. They also added a great little touch here guys. Little bit of storage that every single house needs nowadays. Here we are in the bathroom. Again, it's a great finish. It's a 3-piece bathroom. Him and his dad did most of the work. I'll let Duna show you around this as well. It's incredible. So here we are at the front of the property. Now, he had a brand new front door fitted. He didn't replace the back doors, which are our patio doors. Out of all the windows in the house, he only replaced 3. That's all that needed replacing. The drive, he painted it a different colour and made it look like this. And the roof on the whole of the property was fitted brand spanking new by a member of the property circle, Charlie Ford. If you guys can give him a tag here. Duna's going to send the drone up so you guys can see what the new roof looks like. You have seen the before photos just, and now we are joined by Brad, who is a member of the property circle, and this is his assisted sale. So, Brad, assisted sale.
Yep.
You know what it is?
I do.
You knew what it was when you bought this property?
I did.
Give us an explanation, please.
Essentially, we had a small budget and we didn't have the budget to stay in Birmingham for the money that we had. So I knew if I could get in some sort of assisted sale, it would save me a hell of a lot of fees, i.e. stamp duty. Obviously, solicitor costs would usually come along with that. Yep. But I managed to fall on my feet with a family member who wanted to sell their house for X amount, and I knew that with our money and a refurb, we would get this amount. Yep. And then we talked about splitting the profits. Okay, so guys, that was a very, very, very simple explanation of assisted sale. Find someone who's selling a house that needs a renovation, yep, needs modernising, you can add value to, sort a deal out with them. You pay for the refurb or get an investor to give you the money for the refurb and offer them a fixed return on their investment. And then when you sell the house at the end, you should make a profit. Yep. That's how assisted sale should work. Now we're going to run through the numbers of this property. So what was the purchase price? So when we had it valued, it was at 210,000. Yep. We spent 22 to 23 on it to make 233. Yep. And then we had it go on the market 6 days ago for 285. And we've just agreed a sale at 285. You sold it 2 days ago, didn't you? Yeah, Saturday. £285,000 was the end value of this property, which gave you a profit of around 52,000. Yeah. And how long is it taking you to do this? So we started it mid-June. Yeah. We're now what, mid-October, so 4 months. One thing held us back for a month, which was the front door. Yeah. But it would have taken us 3 months worth of work. 3 months. So 12 weeks, house was sold, and they made £52,000. You can't get better than that. Now, assisted sale, guys, again, this is a second video we've done on it because we did one with Lawton Hotwood. That we'll put down here in a link so you guys can see that one as well. This assisted sale is not something that's really known in property, is it? No, I don't think so. It's not a huge thing. Not everybody knows about it, but it's a fantastic strategy. It works. It's proven it works. We are standing in it right now with a £50,000 plus profit. It's something that I want to do a full video about, which I will be doing in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to sit down, I'm going to tell you how to do it legally, I'm going to show you all the contracts that are needed, and I'm actually going to do a complete example for you guys. But Brad, thank you very much for joining us today. That's us for another video here, and please, please, please smash that like button, subscribe and comment below. Brad's going to answer some of your questions that you guys want to know about assisted sale, and we will catch you on another video.